Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary Renji and I'm a crochet designer, and I come on here on YouTube once in a while to show you some new interesting patterns that I have learned, and I may have used them in my designs. So today I will be showing you how to make this yarn over slip stitch, which has this ribbing effect and it looks like it has been knit, but in fact a very simple crochet stitch. So here I have with me 11 chains. Now for this pattern we will not be working in the first or the second loop, we will be working in the back loop. So yarn over, skip the first stitch, insert your hook through the back loop, pull yarn and slip through the 2 stitches on your hook. Yarn over, insert through the back loop, pull and slip the 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook into, okay, it's a little fiddly when it's with the chain row, but it's okay. Back loop, yarn over, insert through the back loop. Now here what I like to do is, okay, once I have pulled the loop, I turn my hook towards the back and pull through the 2 loops. Makes it a little easier, otherwise you end up catching a lot of threads along the way. Through the back loop, insert, pull a loop, slip the 2 stitches, loop. Okay, now our foundation row is done. We'll do one more row, yarn, chain 1, yarn over. Now we will be working only through the back loops. Insert your hook, pull a loop, slip those 2 stitches, yarn over, only through the back stitches. As you can see the beautiful braid like effect already. Okay, back loop, should we do one more row? Okay, chain 1, again only working in the back loop. This stitch is very calming. I find it very calming. It looks a little difficult at first, like how are we doing this, how are we pulling through slipping so many stitches, but it's simple once you get the hang of it. I found it key to just turn the hook to the back, makes things a lot easier. I just said that on. Okay. All right. Can you see this ribbing? I hope you give this stitch a try, and if you do, please leave a comment. Until I come up with something new. Bye bye.